Hello everyone. I am Dr. Samriti Agarwal, Associate Professor from Department of Zoology, GGM Science College, Jammu. Topic of my presentation is coronavirus disease, COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus, a type of RNA virus. Co stands for corona, VI for virus, and D for disease. As it appeared in the year 2019, so called as COVID 19. The disease spread from person to person through respiratory droplets produced while coughing or sneezing. The transmission of the disease is mainly by the carriers and infected persons through their fomites. Carrier is a person who has got the infection but doesn't show symptoms of the disease and is mainly responsible for the spread of the COVID pandemic. Symptoms of the disease include fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Less common symptoms include body aches, sore throat, diarrhea, and skin rashes. Serious symptoms include difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath, loss of speech, and loss of consciousness. People with lower immunity and people with chronic medical conditions like diabetes, lung and heart disease, and elderly persons are at greater risk. 80% of the patients develop only the mild symptoms and can be treated at home and recover without special treatment. Remaining 15% of the patient develop moderate to severe symptoms of the disease and need treatment in the hospitals. Around 3% of the patient with severe symptoms of the disease need to be put on ventilator and may or may not survive. Diagnosis of the disease. There are two tests available for diagnosis of COVID-19. Number one is viral test for current infections by taking samples from respiratory systems such as swabs from inside the nose or throat, which may take an hour or more for results. RT-PCR is a real-time polymerase chain reaction is the gold standard laboratory method for detecting the COVID infection. Second test is antibodies test. This is for past infections by taking blood samples of the patient. If you test positive or negative for COVID 19, no matter the type of test, you still should take all preventive measures to protect yourself and others. The real difficulty faced in the diagnosis of the disease is while testing the carriers. Their reports may be false negative if they are tested too early because the antibodies may have not developed by that time, though they may carry the virus. Mortality rate of the COVID 19 is 2 to 3%. Old age patients and patients such as having diabetes and patients with low immunity carry higher mortality. Now coming to the treatment. As such, there is no treatment for COVID-19. It is only treatment for the symptoms of the disease. There is no currently available vaccine for COVID 19, and scientists all over the world are striving hard day and night to come up with a vaccine against COVID 19. It is only the preventive measures that can save us from COVID 19. The most important target to check and prevent the disease is to trace the carriers and put them to quarantine till they become disease free. So to kick out coronavirus, it is duty of everyone to follow and promote 5 key steps. Step 1 is wash your hands frequently for at least 20 seconds. Wash with hands with soapy water. People are using frequently sanitizers at home, but soap water is more effective than sanitizers. Second key step is cover. Use tissue when you cough or sneeze and dispose of them immediately. Use your elbow if a tissue is not available. Third key step is avoid. Do not touch surfaces and then your mouth, eyes, or nose. Rather, you can use your foot or elbow to open doors in public. Fourth key step is distance. Practice social distancing by not shaking hands or hugging. My son is a germaphobic, and this is what he's always been doing. He doesn't like shaking hands with people, and I used to tell him it's rude. But I guess now we all should adopt that habit. I mean, not shaking hands with everyone. Last is isolate. I really like the idea of lockdown. It's only because of this that India has managed to keep the corona spread under control compared to other countries across the world. And I really appreciate how people are taking this seriously. Every person on this earth should keep in mind that every other person is COVID infected and take all the precautions, including social distancing, to control the disease. So, my message to all is stay home, stay safe. Thank you.